a cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in a Martin.
Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Unice Hair. Today's unit is in one of my favorite colors, a number 33, aka a reddish brown, and it's a glueless lace kinky curly unit. The cap construction for this unit comes with 3 combs in total. One in the back, the other 2 are at the front with 1 on each side. It also comes with a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. And in place of the adjustable straps, it actually has a silicone band going from almost like temple to temple to add as extra security. This is a breathable cap, so basically the tracks are sewn to pieces of lace, so therefore air can circulate through better. But also, girl, that means that you can get to your scalp easier and you don't have to worry about lifting up your wig to, you know, get to your scalp. The lace on this unit comes as a 6 by 4.5, meaning you're going to get 6 inches going across the front and then 4.5 inches going straight back for the parting space. Now this is how the unit came straight out of the box, and as you can see, the unit has come with pre-cut lace, it's been pre-plucked, and on top of that it has some baby hairs that have already been pulled out and styled for you. Now if you are not somebody who's into baby hairs, that's perfectly fine. You can either wash that unit and then the baby hairs will magically go away, aka they'll just disappear into the hairline, or you can get the unit without baby hairs at all. They do offer this unit in 2 different densities of 150 and 200. I received the 150% density, I think. They offer this unit in multiple lengths of 16 all the way down to 24 inches. And y'all, I switched it up this time and I got 20 inches. As you can see, this is a kinky curly unit, and she has gotten a little bit big because, I mean, I have been running my fingers through her. But y'all, I kind of want to like try something different in defining the curls. Instead of just, you know, using some foaming spray and then brushing it through, I kind of want to try to coil it with my fingers. I don't know how that's gonna go, but we're gonna cross our fingers, hope, pray, and wish that it goes well. Okay, so I wanted to show you all what the hair was looking like, with it being about, I would say 80 to 85% dry. And as you can see, the coils are actually sticking, which I'm really excited about. So just know, if you plan on doing this hairstyle, that water, lot of body, foaming mousse, or just some type of foaming mousse, and then what is it, Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, definitely work. Now, although I do like the styling of the unit, I don't know, something about it is also sending me the opposite direction. I don't know if I need to like take a hot comb and like maybe hot comb the top of the unit, or maybe I don't know. A part of me is kind of like, okay, fluff out just a few of them, not all of them, but just a few of them. So I think I'm gonna try that and then see how it's looking after that. But as you can see, super defined coils, like,
Watch the breakdown.
and talk about this unit from Unice Hair. As I stated earlier in the video, I absolutely love the color, and I'm also really feeling the texture, but of course it's because it's just like my own texture. So far, I'm not getting any tangling, and in regards to shedding, while I was coiling the hair, I got very, very, very minimal strands. I would say that this unit is big head friendly. She's sitting on my head nice and comfortably, but I will say I could probably tighten the security band just a smidge. The lace on this unit is nice and thin, and in my opinion it's melted pretty nicely as well, especially seeing this how it's 100% glueless. I did go in later and tint my lace, and then I turned around and took a little bit of the foaming mousse and put that on top, and then used my like edge brush to like rub it around, and then I took the the melting band and put that on top to help melt the lace. I learned that little trick from Kai. I can't lie, I was a little bit nervous about the coils just because of the gel that I chose to use. I was scared it was going to leave the hair like really hard and crunchy and possibly leave behind some residue, but to my surprise it did not. Well, I mean, once the hair dried, like I said, to about 80 to 85%, the hair was a little bit hard and crunchy, but once I separated some of those coils, that's when the hair became soft again. I needed to clarify that. Although the heat is blasting in my house right now and I have all of these lights on me currently, the breathable cap is doing exactly what it needs to do because my head is not getting hot at all. I did decide to go in and use the baby hairs just because I knew that I wanted this style to be defined as far as the coils went, but I also wanted it to be like messy and fluffy, if you will. And I don't know, I feel like just like utilizing those baby hairs, it will add it to the fluffy, messy look. I feel like the unit is really cute. Honestly, I feel like it'd be even cuter if I did decide to like take off the lashes and take out my contacts and put on my glasses instead. I don't know, I just feel like glasses would really, really fit this unit. So I might end up doing that, and if I decide to do that, then I'll like pop up some pictures maybe here on the screen. But yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.